Good afternoon, students. Join quickly. Agnish, turn off your front camera. Good afternoon. Join quickly. Today we will revise the chapters lines and angles. Today we will revise the chapter lines and angles. You have already known the terms lines, line segments, rays and angles. Today we will discuss about some angles like complementary angles. We all know that if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary angles. Here angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Also we see that angle DBC plus angle DBA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the angles DBC and angle DBA are complementary angles because the sum of the measures of these two angles is 90 degree. Also, angle DBC is called the complement angle of the angle ABD. Okay. Any problem, student? Next, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Here angle BOA is equal to 180 degree. Also we see that angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Since their sum is 180 degree, these angles are called supplementary angles, and angle COA is the supplement angle of the angle COB. Okay, student? Next, adjacent angles. Do you see the board properly? Okay. Two angles are said to be adjacent angles if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and the non-common arms are on the either side of the common arm. Here we see that angle BOA and angle BOC have the common vertex O, common arm OB, and the non-common arms OA and OC are on the either side of the common arm OB. Therefore, the angles COB and angle BOA are the adjacent angles. Because they have a common vertex O, common arm OB, and the non-common arms OA and OC are on the either side of the common arm OB. Okay. Any problem? Okay. Sorry student, in the next class I will tell the syllabus of mathematics. Okay. Okay student, in the next class. Next, linear pair. Linear pair. A pair of angles are said to be linear pair if they are adjacent angles, but the non-common arms are the opposite rays. In other words, we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 80 degree. Also angle BCA and angle BCD have the common vertex C, common arm CB, but the non-common arms are the opposite rays. That is, they form a line. In this case, the adjacent angles form a linear pair. Okay. Next, vertically when two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 and angle 2 are the vertically opposite angles. Also, angle 3 and angle 4 are the vertically opposite angles. In class 8, we will prove this theorem, that is, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay. Next, we will revise the exercise 5.1, page 101. Page 101. Find the complement of the angle 57 degree. Since the sum of the measures of two complementary angles is 90 degree. The complement of the angle (57 degree) is 90 degree minus 57 degree, that is equal to 33 degree. isn't it? Yes. Next, find the supplement of the angle. Find the supplement of the angle 154 degree. Since the sum of the measures of two supplementary angle is 180 degree, therefore, the supplement of the angle 154 degree is 180 degree minus 154 degree, that is equal to 26 degree. Isn't it? Okay. Next. Next question 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. To know this, we first sum of these angles. Since angle 65 degree plus angle 115 degree is equal to 180 degree, therefore, the angles 65 degree and 115 degree are supplementary angles. Because we all know that the sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree, and here we get 180 degree. So, these angles are supplementary angles. Next, question 3. One 112 degree plus 68 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here the angles (112 degree and 68 degree are also supplementary angles. Okay. Yes. Next, question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Let the required angle is x degree. Also we know that the sum of the measures of two complementary angles is 90 degree. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 90 degree. Here both angles are x because it is given that the angle is equal to its complement. So, both are x degree, or 2x is equal to 90, or x is equal to 45. Therefore, the required angle is 45 degree. Required angle is 45 degree, isn't it? Yes. Find next. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Let the required angle is x degree. Therefore, the equation is x plus x is equal to 180. Since we know that the sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 180 degree, therefore 2x is equal to 180, or x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, the required angle is 90 degree. Yes, 90 degree is the angle which is equal to its supplement. Okay. Your class is over. The remaining portions of this chapter will be discussed in the next class. Okay, students, thank you.